How to edit a PDF file for absolutely free. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can edit your PDF for free. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. It is normally easy to edit a PDF for free depending on what you want to edit it. One of the most popular ways to edit is by using a service called iLovePDF. So iLovePDF is a website and also an app. You can go to your browser and type in iLovePDF. It will take you to ilovepdf.com. Now just choose the type of edit you want to make, whether you want to merge, split, compress, convert to other format, or you can just edit the PDF like add text, images, and so on. Tap on this edit PDF button, select PDF file, and now just choose the type of PDF that you want to in this case. So there will be many type of PDF files that you can choose, and once you've chosen a certain PDF file, of course, you can go ahead and then make your necessary changes for absolutely free on this website. So this way you can edit PDF. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.